Hello, this is We Have Cookies56, and this is episode 4 of How I Do Modding. In this tutorial, we are going to do a basic item, which should be quite short, and then in the next tutorial, which I should upload pretty soon after this tutorial, I will show you how to render a 3D model as the item and also make it a sword. So I'm going to be, as the item in this tutorial, I'm going to add the Oblivion, and I've already got the texture set up, and I've just put in the strings class this, so that's it. First I'm going to start, before even I haven't made anything yet, I'm still going to do this first. Added items, which is the class it's going to be called, and then init items brackets semicolon. So now I want to create a class. We'll create class added items and have it in dot item. So now we got this new package. What I want to do is public static item. Right, that's capital I. And then I want to do Oblivion. I want to import item, make sure it's from net.minecraft.item and not the other two. And then public static void init items. And then there we go. So I want to do Oblivion equals new item Oblivion, which we'll make very soon. And then I want to do the ID, because this is an item, we can have it really high. I'm just going to do 4,000, why not? In fact, no, 9,001, just because I can. And then we want to do, well, we could just have that if we wanted to, because it doesn't need to be a material or anything. We create the class in here, and then we want to add that. Just remove that. I'm going to change that to ID just so it's easier to know what it is. And we could put in here the creative tab if we wanted to, but just so it's easier to change, put it in here. So if you have multiple items that you want to change creative tabs of, they're all in one class. So set creative tab, and then creative, and this is very similar to the block, as you can tell. Creative tabs dot, and we'll just do tab combat. So that was relatively quick. Yeah, I'm gonna split this into two tutorials just because the other one's a bit longer and it will go more in depth. So I know that was very short. In fact, wait, I haven't finished, have I? Okay, almost finished, sorry. I need to do this, so I just copy and paste that from the block. And it's almost the same. It's very, very, very similar. It's just gotta do item icon, and that's it, I think. Yeah. So if you run this, well, I need to refresh that. Yeah, if you change anything, like any of the textures, just make sure you refresh. You can check if it's there if you want. And it should work if I've done this correctly. Yeah, you want to make sure it extends item. Mine's already extending item, maybe because it was automatic. Oh, I just realised it's not gonna work, is it? Or is it? Well, let's see if it did. Oh no, it did. I don't know why. There's an error. Let's see if it showed up. Did not. Okay. Well, I think I know why. Because of that. Now, why is it? What? Have I done something wrong? Public static void, init items. That should be working. Why isn't it working? Let's close these. Because it's exactly the same as that. What happens if I do this? Oh, okay. I may have mistyped it then. Silly me. I honestly could not see the typo. Oh well. Oh. Oh yes, of course. Need to do the language registry. Just get it from there. And I need to set the unlocalized name. I am such a noob. Well, kind of. This dot. Make sure you do this. Don't forget, like me. Set unlocalized name. And then strings dot Oblivion. There you go. And remember the semicolon. And also remember to do this. Put it here. Put it on the same line just because it's neater. Oblivion. And Oblivion. There we go. So the tutorial's been a little bit longer, but oh well. So you should have a working item now, which I do. It doesn't do much, just acts like a normal item, won't do much damage. And you can see I'm just holding it like that, which looks a bit stupid. Because I'm not holding it like a sword, because it's not registering as a sword. But in the next tutorial, I will be showing how to make it like a sword, and how to get 3D model working. And you don't have to have a 3D model, but I will be showing that just because I am showing how I did my mod, and I will just be covering what I've done in my mod, and not stuff that I haven't done in my mod. Well, I'll cover a little bit of stuff I haven't done in my mod, but mainly I just want to show how I've done my mod, because like I don't know, I might do it some others. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. This is We Have Cookies 56, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial to do the 3D model rendering. Goodbye.